What's up guys, this is Lucky and I'm happy to have you guys back again in this tutorial section. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to convert a desktop network mode from LAN network into a wireless network, right? Of course, you know that every desktop comes with a LAN port where you can connect your LAN cable. As you can see here, you can actually connect your LAN cable, and then the network port there is going to indicate. So okay guys, so but what if you don't want to use a LAN network on your system, if you don't have access to LAN? So is there another solution for this? So that is what today's video is meant for, right? So all you have to do is just to stay tuned to the end of this video, and I'll be showing you how to convert the network mode from LAN into a wireless network, right? So let's now jump into the video. Alright guys, so the very first thing I'm going to do here is to get this USB adapter. These two here, they're going to be using to convert the network mode from LAN into a wireless network, right? So let's just go ahead and bring out this USB dongle and slot it in and see how that works. Now for Windows 10, you need to just quickly plug it. It's a plug and play, but for Windows 7, you need to install the driver that comes with the dongle. Now this is the driver CD for Windows 7 and Windows 8, but this particular Windows here is Windows 10. So I'll just quickly go ahead and plug it, and you see that I will have access to all the wireless network around this range, right? So this is the dongle here. So I'll just go ahead and plug it. I'll plug it into one of the ports. See, so once you plug it, you just wait for the driver to install automatically. So now all I have to do is just to be refreshing, to be checking when it has fully been installed. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, it has fully been installed. As you can see here, we can now get access to all the wireless network within this range. So now what you have to do is just to, if actually working in an organization where you don't have access to LAN, you just need to get this USB dongle, and then you'll be able to convert it from LAN into a wireless network, right? So that is it for this tutorial, guys. If today is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, guys, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Here we post a lot of videos relating to tech, IT, troubleshooting techniques, and a lot more in the IT field. So if today is your very first time of coming across our YouTube channel, guys, I would like you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification, so in case anytime I will drop any tech related content here on our YouTube channel, you'll be notified and you'll come and watch our video. So with that being said, we'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.